Advance your healthcare career and Canadian immigration prospects with MacEwan University, now an official partner of MDS Consulting. MacEwan's programs emphasize hands-on experience, ensuring that students are job-ready upon graduation and fully equipped for Canada's growing healthcare sector. Canada's healthcare crisis has created a high demand for skilled professionals, making MacEwan graduates highly sought after in the job market. This demand significantly increases your chances of securing employment quickly after graduation. MacEwan's healthcare programs offer a clear pathway to permanent residency, as graduates can leverage their education to qualify for Canadian immigration programs like the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, and the Canadian Experience Class, both of which prioritize healthcare professionals. With MDS Consulting, we customize and expedite your study permit processing, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. With a 95% success rate and over 10 years of immigration experience, we deliver service with integrity. Explore MacEwan's healthcare programs today and take the first step toward a successful career and a new life in Canada.